Saudi Arabia, very rich country. We defend them. We subsidize Saudi Arabia. They have nothing but cash. Right? We subsidize. And they buy a lot from us. $450 billion they bought. You know, you had people wanting to cut off Saudi Arabia. They bought $450 billion. I don't want to lose them. But the military, we subsidize Saudi Arabia. I called the king. I like the king. I said, King, we're losing our ass defending you, King, and you have a lot of money. And he said, but why would you be calling me? Nobody's ever made such a call before. I said, that's because they were stupid. So we're working to deal with Saudi Arabia. So many things. So many things. I'll tell you what, honestly, it's easier than collecting $113.57 from a tenant in a bad location in New York City. And it's safer, too.